Sleepless in San Francisco. Some autonomous vehicles are making noise and keeping neighbors up all hours. The cars are owned by Waymo, and the noise has been an issue since late July. Lisa Gooden, that is, spoke with one person who's documenting her experience living with it all.
Honking from Waymo cars like this is a constant sound for neighbors living near 2nd and Harrison Street. The vehicles have been using this lot to park in between rides.
I was woken up at like around 5 or so, and I'm just like a lot of honking, and then I was like, "Oh my God, like what is going on?"
Sophia Tong says this has been happening on and off for 3 weeks now.
Really became like a big deal when they would like come in and out when they were charging, um, and bunch up in the lot and just start honking, and then like the backing up sound.
The issue started on July 28th. Since then, Waymo has fixed and updated the software twice, but over the weekend, the honking returned.
So like this past Saturday, um, they were coming back from like their charging routine, I guess, and they bunched up in the lot again. But this time there were so many of them that it backed up into the road itself.
We reached out to Waymo, who says the Sunday morning issue has been resolved and it was a quiet Monday night, which Sophia confirmed. To make light of the situation, Sophia created a live stream documenting Waymo's activity and now has a global following. She says Waymo has been working with residents, and a representative joined her live stream on Monday to better connect with the community.
When you're designing complex systems, it's hard to predict like everything that could go wrong with it. Like a benevolent feature like honking, when somebody else is backing up. But on the other hand, as a resident, I'm like, this is ridiculous. Like, I can't sleep at night. Like, come on, guys.
That was Lisa Gooden reporting. Engineers with Waymo have tried fixing the issue by updating the software twice, and while it seemed to have worked just for a few days, well, last weekend the honking it returned.